Hello everyone. I am here with this really fun little folio. It's a mini project folio. It's available on the Etsy shop down below, or if you are a subscriber to our subscription site, this is the November 2024 mini project that's included with your kit. So heads up, it comes with a neutral that you can print on the back. In that kit, you can use any neutral in the kit, or you can use any other neutral that you have that you like. Any of those would be a great option for this. So it's personal preference. There we go. So let's go ahead and put this together. I printed it all onto a 110-pound cardstock. Cut it, inked it, and folded where necessary. And now we're ready to just assemble it. So you have this piece here, and it's going to be a flap. You could turn it into a pocket as well if you wanted, but for my kit here, it's just going to be a simple flap. All right, once you kind of glue those two sides together, now you just have this flap out. We're going to glue that so that ends up on the back of our page. Ooh. So that's just going to come right there. You can kind of adjust where you want that. If you want it centered or a little higher, it does not matter. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our other two flaps on. Before we put these two, because these are going to come here and here, I want to put the strings on these, because there's kind of a fun little trick to this that I'm going to show you. So in the kit, there are two extra shapes, just exactly like this. So I left it printed, so it'd be really easy for you to kind of see where they go. But I want to add an eyelet to these. Now, you don't have to. You could just do a hole punch, or you can just wrap ribbon around this. Whatever you want to close this, you can just do any method you want. So I'm kind of just eyeballing, and I'm going to put an eyelet in there. That was very good eyeballing. I think I might just duplicate that with this, because that was really good eyeballing. Doesn't always work out that way. There we go. Let's see. I think a gold would be fun against that black, so I'll use a gold eyelet. You can pick and choose whatever you like. Now the reason we're going to put this over that is because the backs of these are going to become pockets, and I didn't want our eyelet to catch on them. So I didn't want to punch through that main paper. So what we're going to do is get our cute little twine. You can use whatever you have. Some lace could be cute, and I'm gonna just leave them super long for now. These are about 18 inches each. I'll probably end up trimming that down, but I'd rather have it too long than get to the end and have it too short, because it's all gonna be glued down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my little slip knot on there. So there's one of them. Just kind of folding these in half. And then I'm going to take that end right there, the midway point, and put it through. I didn't do very good with that eyelet. I'm going to squish it down a little bit more. I don't know if that helped anymore. That's okay. All right, I'm going to put that through the hole and then pull those two strings through that hole. All right, so now we have two, and you're just gonna line them up. Oh, they're going the wrong direction. Oh, I don't think it'll matter, but I could I'm gonna do this because it'll make more sense when it's down, because then they're aiming towards each other. So I'm gonna switch that. There we go. Whoop. No harm, no foul. Now you're gonna need a good amount of glue to glue all of this down, because it is gonna stick up a little because of the eyelet, and that's okay. All right, now, while those are really solidifying and drying off, I'm gonna go ahead and attach them to our main piece. So I'm gonna just put some glue inside of this flap. So really what this will end up being is a really cute insert that you can add into a journal or use as a fun standalone if you really want. So there's one. And there's the other. So now you'll just see, you'll be able to tie that into a little bow right here, and that's gonna close that off. But for now, we're gonna keep that open and we're gonna be embellishing. So let's start out with, we have this really fun triple pocket that's gonna be right here inside of our journal. You can center that, you can come to either side. I think I wanna scooch it over to this side just because we're gonna have stuff going on there too. So you can really do either one. And we have 3. In fact, if you want, you can only put 2 pockets in and use the other pocket in another project, or on the back of this if you're using it as a tuck rather than as something that you glue in. So get creative. All right, let's let that dry for a minute. And we're gonna add our cute little pocket that we have down here. So now you can see why it's good that we didn't punch that eyelet through here, is because we'll be putting stuff in this pocket and that eyelet would just get in the way. So we have a little pocket for the top and the bottom flap. Awesome, let's let those dry for a minute, and we're gonna add, this is going to be our cute belly band. So there's this really cute tag here, and it comes like this. And then we're just gonna glue it together. So it's a nice, thick, chunky tag. So let's go ahead and glue that. And we have some cute, well, we'll embellish it all later. Let's just get the basics put in first. Let's go ahead with this belly band. You could also glue this in on 3 sides and create a side tuck. So that would be back here, and you could tuck your tag in, or you can do what I just did, and that's just create it into a belly band. Either way is fine. Okay, I think we have, oh, there's one more. We have this cute little pocket here. This is just a mini pocket on the front. You could also leave that off and use that as journaling space. There's really a lot of options. And there's other pieces you could switch out to use as a pocket here too. I have cute little butterfly ones if you want. It's just whatever. All right, so how this will come together is like so. So let's go ahead and start adding all of the goodies to this journal. There's lots of these really cute little words here. So you can decide if you want like a little word. There's a bunch of little extra bits that you can add in. I think handle with care would be really cute there. Could also add in some extra eyelets and maybe some lace. And that looks good to me. So this goes here into this belly band, and you'll notice it sticks off the edge. That's okay, don't worry about that. I'm gonna zoom out just a hair, hopefully, and make sure I'm not getting you out of the camera. Oh, now you're seeing all my mess. For this pocket, and then if you want, we could just trim that down. Maybe I'll do that in the digital as well, but let's just trim it. Or you need to be more careful than I was when I glued the sides on there. But if you trim it down, it'll fit. And it won't hurt anything. Cute. I like that. And I think I'm gonna do this and just put it behind. And that's okay. Even though I love seeing that rounded edge, I think this will work better for this design. And this is still cute too. Isn't that cute? So a cute teeny tiny butterfly tag right here. Ugh, now I want to do it on the other one too. I'm going back to the original plan because it's so cute. Come here, little butterfly. We're trimming you. And that guy gets to go in their little pocket. So that'll make it easier to grab our little butterfly out of their little pocket. Cute. Okay, let's see. I have this cute card that can go in here, and I like that. And I have this cute card. This is a bigger one. So I want to add a pull onto it just so it doesn't get lost. So just have a play and decide where you like things and the style that you're going for. Cute, cute, cute. All right, we're gonna put that in this middle pocket here because, oh, and I did it too tight again. You guys, be more careful on your edges. I got a little carried away. That's okay. All right, and then we have this, and I'm not gonna add anything up top because we just don't have room. But I could still add something that just doesn't go above that. So I could still do something like that, and that would be cute. We just don't want to go above the edge because it's really close to the top of that fold right there. So I'm just playing. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's see. We can put this in here. That would be fun. Pull down up a little so we add some different levels. All right, let's decorate. I have this really fun. I found this cute vintage image. I like that. Let's do it. So we can just decorate the front of our belly band. That's fun. I like it. Let's do a little flower. Let's see. Then we have this little pocket. We could put this. All right, let's see. What else do I need to decorate here? Oh, we need our little tag for here. I stole it for this pocket. Let's move our little tag back to here. All right, let's see. I want a butterfly or something right here. Maybe we should do, this will be for the very front, so I'll show you what that'll look like. So we'll still see our cute tag, which is by design and fun. And then I have to decide how I want this to all come together up here. Okay. So there it is. It's getting kind of reflecty. All right. So I have a few, oh, I still have this guy too. Let's find a spot for this guy. We can put that guy in this pocket here. And I want to add a little tab to it. I think I'll do this one.
Yep.
And maybe I'll add a little perfect 10. No, I like it. It would be cute for journaling. All right, so that's gonna come into here. There we go. So easy, easy. I have a few extra bits. I could probably put some on these cute little butterfly cards if I wanted, or on the back. It'd be kind of cool to cover up that part right there. We can do that. Why not? We have the cuteness. La perfection. I don't know how to really say that. I don't speak French. All right. There's a little pocket here. We have a tiny pocket here with our little butterfly. This little butterfly probably could use a perfect 10. Maybe. That's cute. I just saw another place. I wished I would have used that right here, but you can do that or not. All right, so there's our other cute little butterfly pocket. I like that with our one sticking up. I'm glad I trimmed those down. I will trim those down in the digitals so you don't have to worry about it. So make sure before you cut, try it out and then see what you want to do. All right, and then we have our 3 pockets here with our cute, cute, cute items that are sticking. There we go, we got it. Anyway, very cute. Be careful in that second pocket. Be careful to glue close to the edge because I really got close. Or you could trim it down like I did the other one. Maybe I'll trim that down too for you. In any case, it will work because you can always adapt it as you need. So anyway, way fun with these neutral cute colors. And then you have your cute belly band here. And you have your cute little tag here. And you just shut that and tie it off. And then you can just glue that right directly into a journal because it does have this stuff on the back. So either you have to put something else on the back and use it as a tuck, or you can send it as a card, which would be fun, or you can glue that directly into a journal and just have it pre-made and ready to go right in. So anyway, I'll zoom in so you can see the colors really good. But a really fun, a really easy, simple project, and I hope you have fun with it. Talk to you later. Bye.